What makes a person want to cough? Coughing is a reflex that helps clear the airways of irritants. The nerves in the airways are stimulated by allergens, diseases, drugs and other irritants, which leads to a strong displacement of air from the lungs. There are many causes of coughing. Common causes of cough include 1. Allergens, pollen, dust, animal dander, mold, etc. 2. Irritating, smoking, inhalation of passive smoke, pollution, chemical fumes, perfumes, air fresheners. 3. Medical conditions, common cold, upper respiratory tract infection, flu, pneumonia, whooping cough, asthma, gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), sinus infection, postnasal drip water, acute bronchitis, chronic bronchitis, bronchiectasis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), heart failure. 4. Medicines, ACE inhibitors, beta blockers. 5. A dry cough is usually the result of cold and flu viruses, allergies, acid reflux, ACE inhibitors, and irritants such as cigarette smoke. 6. A wet cough is often caused by cold or flu viruses or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. 7. A persistent or chronic cough is one that lasts more than 3 weeks and can be caused by heart disease, asthma, lung disease, bronchitis, and whooping cough. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.